Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook asparagus with steak. First, select fresh, vibrant green asparagus spears, then snap off their woody ends. For your steak, pat it completely dry with paper towels to ensure a perfect sear. Season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This initial preparation is key for maximizing flavor and achieving excellent textures in your meal. Now, let's get that steak cooking. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a beautiful medium rare. Remember to use a meat thermometer to achieve your preferred doneness, aiming for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. While your steak rests, we'll cook the asparagus in the same pan to capture all those delicious flavors. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pan. Toss in your trimmed asparagus spears and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are tender crisp and bright green. Finish with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. This quick cook ensures they retain their delightful snap. The final, crucial step for your steak is resting. Allow it to rest on a cutting board for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This redistributes the juices, ensuring a tender, flavorful bite. Then, slice the steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Arrange your perfectly cooked steak alongside the vibrant asparagus on a plate. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives can add a lovely finishing touch to this simple yet elegant meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.